This thing right here, this Ryobi thing, watch this. She's out here, but she actually loves it. This thing is mint, dude. Love this thing. Ryobi's thinking power blower thing here, dude. This thing's awesome. Yeah, dude, I'm out here in 7-degree weather in t-shirt and shorts because I'm coming inside. But this thing's mint, dude. Gotta dust off here. You'll see why I'm doing this in a second. So this is my DJI Phantom 4 Pro. I've had this for a very long time, but I just kind of wanted to show Earl here how much fun he could potentially have if he had a real drone. Come on, recognize. There, do your DJI. Now watch, this is how easy and fast all of this stuff is. So here you go. It'll, look at that, already connected, go fly, DJI Phantom 4. This is meant as a joke to an extent. It's snowing out, dude. And I'm gonna take the Phantom for a quick little spin just to kind of show Earl what he's missing. He's missing the experience. I mean, yes, he's getting to know the sticks, but I think it's screwing with him. So watch this, ready? Go fly. Watch. Look at, already, overall status, we're good to go. Get that out of here. Aircraft is warming up. It takes a little bit for the stuff, the internals, to kind of like warm up sometimes. It should like get GPS. It's already got 11 satellites. But here, I'll show you. Warming up. It's warming up. I forget what it's called, what it's warming up. The IMU. Okay, so it's warming up. Wait before takeoff. Only takes a little bit of time to do this. But we're going to go ahead and... Oh, that's a photo. We're going to go ahead and record this whole process here. So here we go. Ready? Look at that. Ready to fly. Hey, Earl, watch this, dude. Okay, ready? Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this. So, a couple ways to do this. You can press this button right here, which just slide, automatically takes off, and just sits there, dude. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this, Earl. Look at how much fun you can have, guy. Hey, what's happening? So, so it's been a minute since I've flown, but I just wanted to show real quick just the fun that Earl could be having, but that he can't because of the stupid thing that he's got. You know what I'm saying? Dude, look at how fun you can have operating the drone, getting some camera work done. Get a look at my dead tree. Get a look at my dead tree. Get a look at the mound here that I've created. This is the fun that Earl could be having. But unfortunately he can't, because of the piece of garbage that he's got for a drone. He's got the GoPro piece of garbage. And then watch this. This should land right where I told it to, so let's see if it does. Let's see if it returns to home. Kind of looks like that's not what it's doing. No. Oh, I did land. What an idiot. Trying to override it. Cancel? Yes. I did the land, not the return to home. So I just got them. I'm going to manually land it. We're going to spin it around. Look at this, look at that. Look at it. The fun you could be having, guy. Look at it. The fun you could be having, guy. It might freak out because it's detecting me. So let's see. I should be able to auto land it. I might have to spin it around. We'll see. Now we're good. Here we go. Guy. The fun you could be having, guy. With the DJI drone. And this is an old one too, so we just flew it in snow. So anyways, this is RC Guy Garage just giving Earl some heat. He is going to get a DJI. I have no idea what he's going to get. I wouldn't necessarily recommend this. This isn't really designed for, I think, what Earl's trying to do. But they have much more highly advanced drones than what I've got right now. This is, like I said, this is a Phantom 4 Pro. I've had this thing for, God, I don't even know, since 2017 or something like that. Can't even remember, guy. I can't even remember how long I've had this thing, but this thing it's great for what it is. And like I said, there's definitely much better, more advanced stuff that DJI has for drones. So anyways, this is RC Guy Garage, and yeah, guy, it's snowing out.